Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Ninjatrader on phone app tutorial.
So the first page will be the quotes, where we can filter through all the different indices, micros, cryptos, and all the markets that we might want to trade. If we want to favorites them, we can go ahead and drag it to the right and it'll be added to the favorites. And then the trade window, we can go up to the top here and select the specific market that we want to trade by pressing search. For example, NASDAQ, we can search that and that will bring up the NASDAQ market for us. For example, here, and we have the super don here, which we can use for trading, and we have the details regarding E-mini and its current stats on the market. So if you want to do a limit order, we can go ahead and press on the screen, and then we can either do a buy stop or a sell limit. So say that I want to sell a limit, we can go ahead and select, for example, 4, and we can select here, and then you can do a sell 4 limit here. And when the price goes up to this point, it will engage in a sell trade. Down the bottom, we can change the intervals, etc. And then we can go to candles, and also here we can add some indicators. For example, we can add some volume at the bottom, or we can add some custom indicators, which Ninjatrader has a large selection of potential markets here, potential indicators there. So that is all you need really in this window. So if you want to press trade, up here next to the search bar and the heart icon in between, you can go here and customize a buy and sell order here. Select whether it's a market order. Set all your take profits and stop losses here. You click these in detail, and you can select the amount in ticks. Press apply. You can add a break even trigger also. Stop loss. You do this again. You can also use a trading stop if you would like. Select an amount, and after that you can press buy order or sell if you want to do that. Press sell market, and then if you press the market again, go to the market here, and then to view the trade you go into manage, and then you can see the trades here, and here we can click on it and see all the details regarding it. If you want to cancel the trade, we can go ahead and click on the specific trade and press cancel order, and that'll cancel the order. So that is all the basics really, guys. I hope this video helped. Speak to you soon.